Good evening, Bolton Maverick, welcome to my channel and thank you very much for clicking on this video, it's greatly appreciated. This video is about a little purchase I made about 12 months ago. It's this chest pack. I looked around for chest packs and I was looking at prices, 70, 80, 100 pound, and I thought, you know what, I'm not investing that kind of money and not knowing if I'm going to use it regular or not. So I looked for a cheaper version and I found one on Amazon by a firm called Wynex Tactical, and it was only 18, 19 quid, something like that. So I thought, it's not going to be much cop for that, but I'll buy the cheap one and see if I use it. I didn't want to buy it and then not use it, so I bought this, and when it came, I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you. It's alright, it's a good bit of kit. And I was surprised that I've used it on every single camp I've been on. And what I used it for mainly, well, all the time, is for carrying all my filming gear for YouTube. Camera, phones, lighting, microphones, everything else, cables, chargers, everything went in here. And it was invaluable, you know, you get to camp, you got your backpack on, you get to camp, before you set up, set your filming gear up first, and then you can film yourself setting up, which is, I don't know if people want to watch it or not, but it gives you an idea of how easy it is to set your equipment up, your filming gears, but it's all to hand, and it was handy. And when I emptied it of filming gear, I could stuff all the stuff in it, like if I was leaving my rucksack at my camp, I could wander about with a little saw in it and my knife and gloves and go and collect tinder and stuff like that for a campfire. So I just thought I'd introduce you to it and let you know that you can get hold of something that is going to last for 20 quid. I've had this for over 12 months, it's still going strong. I think I've got one little burn hole at the back where I dropped a cigarette on it, but it's only in the mesh, it's not in the cordura. So I'll just give you an idea. I put some stuff in here at the moment. It's not stuff I carry in here. I've just filled it up with bits and bats to give you an idea what you can put in it, you know, what kind of equipment it can carry. So what I'll do, I'll empty it now, show you. Some of the kit I put in it. So gloves, saw, catapult, water filter, ferro rod, and get at it. Leatherman, multi-tool, I've got an auger in there, a knife in there, head torch, oh, that pouch is empty, that's handy. Mobile phone, front pouch, compass, cordage, sharp awl that I usually use for my axe, Firebox Nano. I think that's it for now. Usually when you take anything off, it's just one clip, like off. There it is. Wynex tactical chest rig. In the front, you've got molly, which is handy to have. Obviously, I've stuck these two little carabiners on so I don't lose them. That's all. They're not on there normally. It's got a front pocket. And then it's got a main compartment, and inside here You've got 6 little pockets, or just pouches, and they've got these tabs on with shock cord on that you can put over whatever you put in them pockets to hold them in. 2 pockets like that. I've not altered the length of the shock cord yet because I don't know what I'm going to be putting in there permanently. And then you've got a big pouch at the back there. You've also got another big pouch there and 2 pockets there. You've got a Velcro, soft Velcro there, so you can stick other things that are compatible. You can hang them off there with Velcro. It's got a little key loop. It's got these tabs, what I suppose you could hang something off on every corner here. And it's got them at the top as well there. Zippers are quite good. Zipper pulls on them. The buckles are really good. They're like Nexus buckles. They're really good copies, but they click well. Like ABS buckles, they're alright. It's fully adjustable for around your girth and height. So there you go. The tactical Wynex tactical chest pack. Yeah, it's 13 inches by 10 inches by 2 inches. Good bit of kit. I can't see me spending 70 quid on a new one until this is worn out. And I've had it for 12 months now, and all it's got is a few bits of stains on it. But I think that's food from the last camp, but there you go, it's working. It holds quite a bit of kit, as you can see. And it can hold your essential kit in it, you know, like a Garmin GPS, your phone, map, compass, light, you know, just your everyday stuff that you're going to need. Knife, firelighting equipment, you know, small pouches. You could put another 2 small pouches in the front for things. You could have your little kit there, firelighting kit, or a little tin with your char cloth in and stuff like that on the front of it. It's just very, you know, very usable. Utilised in a lot of ways. And I've, it's made 1000D Cordura. It's pretty good. So that's a chest pack, in case you're interested. You don't have to spend a fortune. And I was that impressed with that chest pack, I went and bought this admin pack. And this admin pack is what I'm going to start keeping my filming gear in. There you go. Leads, charger, phone goes in there, camera goes in there, GoPro. Everything I need can go in here. My mic system that I'm using now can clip in here. Rode wireless Go system goes in there. I've also ordered a webbing kit that they do for this, so I can use it as a chest pack that, you know, on the front. But it's also got molly, so I can attach it to my backpack. It's also got molly up front of this as well. And it's got soft Velcro there in case you want to put a morale patch on or whatever. That's the D-rings that the kit come, I think it's that. There's all the D-rings at the top, isn't there? But there's a chest system that this can clip to, and I've ordered that. So there you go. It's quite a versatile bit of kit. Something I thought I'd never use, and I've used it every single time I've been out. It's just a bit of an overview on it. Wynex Tactical, they only sell on Amazon. They're only cheap, but it's quite good gear. So just thought I'd let you know if you're interested in getting a chest pack. Try one of them out instead of spending a fortune in case you don't use it again. See you all soon.